Hello, my name is Trisha Pardo. I'm in Los Angeles, California, in the United States. When I came to the Jubilee, I was invited last minute by a friend I met, and I was like, what is synodality? I was kind of confused about it. I was trying to learn, but in this last workshop of talking about what conversations in the Spirit are, I was realizing I'm getting to do that with the young people I work with, confirmation coordinator and youth minister. We do small group models, and so all of the young people always have an opportunity to share, to talk, to give their opinions, to share their voices. And it's been wonderful to see the things that we learn from our young people, whether they're in middle school or high school, but just seeing how God is also working through them. Because I know as a young person myself, sometimes I feel like we don't get to share our voices a lot, and so to be able to give those opportunities to young people has been wonderful. So getting to see, yes, like I am practicing synodality, and the Lord works so beautifully through it has been a great gift.